Hey, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the REGEXMATCH function. Then what allows us to do is identify whether a pattern or a string of elements contain or conform to a pattern that you're searching for. So let's take this example here at the top first, and we're going to jump into our function bar, and we're going to do REGEXMATCH. And we're going to do brackets, and then we're going to determine if C3 has hello in it, and that C3 is case sensitive hello. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter hello, and then in quotations, we're going to close the brackets and we're going to return, and that is true that it contains that. But if we change the text of hello to uppercase, it would be false. So this is a very simple way of using regex match to see, does C3 in this case contain the word hello. Now, if we want to do something a bit more advanced here, let's just get this back to true. If we want to do something a bit more advanced here, like determine whether an email address or a piece of text or a string of text contains an email address, we can push regex match to determine this first. So let's look at this formula here again. So regex match, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select our text that we're interested in, C6, and then we're going to enter the formula that we're looking for. So we're going to start with quotes, and then we're going to start with upwards arrow to determine the start of the string of text. And then what we're going to do is determine if all this text contains uppercase or lowercase a to z, 0 to 9, underscores, percentages, or hyphens. So we're going to enter a hyphen z in lowercase, a hyphen z in uppercase. We're going to do 0 to 9. Then we're going to do dot to stop here. And then we're going to see, we're going to check, does it have a dot? Then we're going to have underscore, percentage, or hyphen, and that'll determine whether the start of the email address has some of those letters, numbers, or symbols. Then we're going to end our square bracket, and then we're going to do plus to see it doesn't have an at. Okay. Next part we're going to do is we're going to determine, does the second part of the email, does the domain have, again, lowercase, uppercase letters, dots, or hyphens. So we're going to do a hyphen z, dot, hyphen, and then we're going to do end our square bracket here. Next, we're going to check, does it have a dot or a full stop before the top level of the domain. So we're going to do plus backslash, in this case, dot, to determine that it is a full stop we're looking for. And then we're going to do again lowercase az, uppercase az, and we're going to close these brackets. And then we're going to determine if this top level domain is either 2 to 4 characters long. So we're going to do curly brackets. So it's going to be 2 hyphen 4, and then we're going to end those curly brackets. And then what we're going to do is end those quotes and finish off our brackets here at the end and return. And that's true that both of them are true. And that's a very simple and also a complex way of using the regex match function.